Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to set the preview of a Shopify store link into social media, or have it sent through email addresses. This is super useful if you want to share your store design or layout with a client, team member, or friend before making it live, or if you're testing out new themes and want feedback. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Let's get started. We are going to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, what we are going to do next is going to be very simple. We can go ahead and head over to the left side of the screen and click on Online Store. From here, we are going to select Themes. On the Themes page, we'll find all the themes that we have installed, both published and unpublished ones. If you have to share a preview link from your Shopify store, it's not going to be the current live theme, because the live one is already public. Anyone can visit your store directly. Instead, you'll be sharing a preview link from a draft or unpublished theme, which lets someone see your changes privately without publishing it. So, if I click on the three dots, me, next to the current live theme, I can see the preview option, but that's not what we need to share. Let's say we've added another theme, maybe one of the free themes from the Shopify theme store. I'm going to choose one of them and install the theme. It'll take just a few seconds, and once installed, we'll find it listed under Theme Library right below the live theme. Now, what I'm going to do next is very simple. Once I have access to the theme right there, I'll click on the three dots again. Here, we'll find the option to Preview. Clicking this will open your store in preview mode, but to share it, you'll want to copy the link from here. So, click Copy Link, and then you can paste it into another browser tab to test it, or send it directly through email, social media, or messaging apps like WhatsApp or Slack. That's how you can easily share your Shopify store preview with anyone. Once you paste the link in another tab, you'll see your store preview exactly as it appears inside Shopify. It will have a special preview URL, usually containing something like 1.2 Preview Theme ID 1200 LXDEX. This indicates it's not a live site, it's just a preview mode, so people can see it, but can't make purchases or edit anything. You'll also see a preview banner or a message saying it's a test mode, confirming that this isn't the published version. If you're sending this to clients or collaborators, you can share it via email, simply paste the preview link in your message, social media, DMs, like Facebook Messenger or Instagram, Slack, Teams, if you're working with a team, project tools like Trello, Notion, or Google Docs. Remember that preview links can expire after a certain time, depending on your store setup. So if someone says they can't access it later, you might need to generate a new link. Recap. So to summarize, log into your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store, Themes. Choose an unpublished theme. Click the three dots, Tweet, Preview. Copy the preview link and share it wherever you need. Super easy, and perfect for sharing designs before publishing your theme live. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming Shopify tips and tutorials. And as always, I hope to see you soon in the next one. Take care and happy building.